a few years ago, people were talking about stablecoins, and they were saying, well, why do we need a digital dollar? We kind of already can make digital payments. And this is just like a dollar sitting in a bank account. We're going to make a digital token of it. What's the point of that? It turned out it's a massive market. There's high demand for the dollar in all these countries around the world. And a lot of people in the world can't get access to dollar denominated accounts. They live in a high inflation country like, Turkey or Argentina or Nigeria. So that was one piece. And then the other was it just reduced friction in terms of like all kinds of payments people wanted to make in crypto for trading and, overseas B2B payments. And now these things are all there was something like $30 trillion of stablecoin payment volume in the last year. We think the same thing could happen in stocks. We don't know exactly how it's going to play out, but if you simply, you're storing a share of a company in like a traditional custodian, you issue a token equivalent of it on chain. What does that enable? So similarly to stablecoins, there's an international component to this. There's lots of people in the world who would love to buy Tesla or Nvidia or whatever, and they, if you're wealthy in Argentina, you can probably get a brokerage account open somewhere to trade that kind of stuff, but the vast majority of people cannot. There's also this 24/7 trading aspect, so people want to do that, and I think crypto is going to just get there faster, right? There's fractional shares where you can trade like a tiny piece of a share. There's things like perpetual futures markets, which have done really well in crypto, and why shouldn't that exist for securities as well? So I think you're going to see some things like this where it's just crypto kind of reduces friction. It allows people to try new things. There might even be kind of novel governance things which get created. Like let's say that you want to create a stock where, short-term holders of your stock can't vote. You need to have held the stock for at least a year to vote. I mean, you could program that into a smart contract on chain and make that new type of token with those capabilities. So we don't know exactly how it's going to play out, but I feel like it's definitely worth trying.